Tips and tricks for Dollywood. 9 things to know before you go. Over the years, we've learned how to adopt certain tips and tricks to make going to Dollywood even more fun. Here are a few tips only the insiders know that can make your trip to Dollywood even better. Number 1. Avoid the Pigeon Forge traffic. The best way to get to Dollywood when the traffic is bad is to take Highway 411. 411 can be accessed from I-40 at Newport, or from south or west by taking the Chapman Highway exit off I-40 in Knoxville. You can take 411 to the intersection with Veterans Boulevard, which is likely to save you some time on the road. Number 2. Get free parking at Dollywood. Parking can be expensive at Dollywood, and it can be an unexpected addition to your well-planned budget. If you want to save on parking, consider taking the trolley to Dollywood, which will cost you about 1/8 of the price of standard parking. Number 3. Plan ahead for a lot of walking. Dollywood has hills, mountains, dips, dives, and hollers. Be sure to plan your footwear accordingly. If you have mobility issues, they have scooters for rent, but on busy days they can get a little scarce. Number 4. Take advantage of the free water at Dollywood. The park offers complimentary cups of water at all park restaurants and most food outlets. All you have to do is ask. You are not allowed to bring outside food and drink into the park, but guests are allowed to bring one unopened bottle of water per person. You can refill that bottle all day, saving yourself considerably on the cost of bottled water or soda. Number 5. Purchase refillable mugs and snacks. Dollywood offers a variety of refillable drink and snack options that'll keep your family hydrated and well fed throughout the day without breaking the bank. Number 6. Have your kids measured at the park entrance. If you have kids old enough to enjoy some of the rides at Dollywood, your first stop inside the park should be at the Dollywood centralized measuring station. At the measuring station, a Dollywood host will measure your child and give them a color-coded wristband. The color codes correspond with signs at each ride that indicate whether or not your child is tall enough before you ride, and waste an hour in line only to be turned away in disappointment. Number 7. Skip the lockers and use the cubbies. Ride cubbies are free. They're not necessarily the most secure. An honor system is definitely in place. So if you have the Hope Diamond on you, you might want to consider a different storage method. Otherwise, each ride has a place where you can stash your bag and skip the lockers. Number 8. Try to see Dolly at Dollywood. If you come to the park hoping to see Dolly, your best bet is to typically visit early in the year. Normally there's a media day at which Dolly, schedule permitting, kicks off a new season with a little show and song. Ask park officials when the pass holder celebration is, and you'll have a decent chance to see Dolly. Number 9. Try to spot Dolly incognito at Dollywood. Dolly is rumored to be able to take off her persona, wig, makeup, and fancy outfits and walk around the park being unnoticed. While this hasn't been proven, some folks swear that Dolly struts around her own park, completely unnoticed by her fans. Whether or not it's true, it's fun to think about it when you're visiting. Do you have any Dollywood tips and tricks? Let us know in the comments below. If you're planning a trip to Dollywood, remember to check Tripster to save a couple of dollars off admission. Link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video from thesmokies.com.